welcome back to part 3 of our Wisconsin Dells tour. We are just leaving downtown Wisconsin Dells, and again, Megan is filming out of the right side of the car with the GoPro. Ben is filming out of the left side of the car with my phone. We are now leaving the main street of Wisconsin Dells, and downtown Wisconsin Dells is behind us, and we're turning left onto Wisconsin Dells Parkway, I think is what it's actually called. This is a very long road. Why don't you film me for a second while I'm talking? This is a very long road with a whole bunch of attractions on it. You will notice, as I mentioned in my introduction to Wisconsin Dells video, which I will link right here, that many of the motels and hotels along this stretch have been bought out by Mount Olympus Resorts. And as I mentioned in that introductory video, I do not recommend Mount Olympus. I don't recommend that you visit there, and I don't recommend that you stay in one of their hotels. But anyway, we're gonna go. You can turn it again, Meg. Okay, so now we're turning onto this road, and we're just gonna let you see what's here. So again, on the left, we're back to where the Wisconsin Dells lower boat tour, where you would pick it up.
At a very woodsy McDonald's.
That's where I was saying in my part 1 video, that's where Fort Dells used to be when I was a kid. Okay,
Ooh, sorry.
Up here on the left used to be Riverview Water Park and Amusement Park, and it's been since purchased by Timbavati Wildlife Park. Oh, the Lost Temple is on the right. I have absolutely no idea what that is. Timbavati Wildlife Park, you can like feed giraffes and I don't even know. We haven't been there. Ghost Outpost.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Coming up.
Here, this deer park, you can actually feed and pet the deer. I don't know how.
Sad.
Yeah, it is actually. We went there one time on my birthday when I was like 8 or 9 years old. This is the stupidest attraction of all time. We went there once. It was so weird. You're walking in dirt, and it's like the White House got tipped upside down, and I don't recommend that one either. It's very weird. And then here on the right, on Megan's side, is Mount Olympus theme park. Big roller coasters. You can see one going by right there.
Good.
And there is also a water park, which you will be able to see. Now, it's fun. I mean, we've been there. The roller coasters and the rides and stuff are fun. They've just gotten very kind of greedy. Oh, here on the left, a Wisconsin duck is coming towards us on the road. And they've kind of like tried to take over everything. And you can see on the left, all these buildings are Mount Olympus owned buildings now. Here on the left is the original Wisconsin Ducks, where you come and get the duck tours. Here's the water park on the right, Mount Olympus Water Park.
Notice how the roller coaster goes
Right through the water park. Yeah.
Achilles apparel and lockers. Zorba's.
It's very big and very spread out, and you do a lot of walking.
Ooh.
There is an indoor, quote-unquote indoor theme park too in that building, but it's really just a big arcade.
Looks like a fun slide.
There's an indoor water park too, so you can stay at this place year-round, but the indoor water park, I will warn you, is very small. This Roman Coliseum-looking section is a hotel that you can stay in. Here on the left is the Rick Wilcox Theater. That's a magic show. We've never actually been to that, but it's supposed to be good. Here, oh no! Did the Atlantis get bought out?
Mount Olympus.
By Mount Olympus?
It's right there.
Oh no, it's right here. Here's the Atlantis. But it kind of looks like it got bought out by Mount Olympus. Maybe not. Here's the Army Ducks. Oh!
Notice how far Mount Olympus hotels are stretching.
Yeah, this is a zip line ropes course place you can go.
Oops, sorry.
You are recording, right, buddy?
Yep.
Okay. Coming up here on the left, you're not going to be able to see it very well, but this is the entrance to Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark is one of the original, you can see all the animals in the ark there, one of the original outdoor water park.
That's interesting.
Water parks. It's all outside. It stretches a long way that way. Oh, this motel has hung on. Shamrock
Way to
Motel.
go, Shamrock.
The Flamingo Motel has not sold out to Mount Olympus yet, but these people did. Some of the motels are still hanging in there without Mount Olympus buying them out, but as you can see, like almost all of them.
It seems that Mount Olympus's colors have since changed.
They used to be like
They used to be blue and white, and now they seem to be different shades of beige.
I actually feel like this goes better with their signage.
It does.
Although I understand why they did the blue and white. They were trying to look like Greece.
Yeah.
The Flamingo Motel is actually quite big.
Yeah, it's like 2 parts.
Yeah. Okay. And then here on the left is a Hilton Garden Inn. And this is where you would turn to go to Wilderness on the Lake, which I also mentioned in my intro video. We stayed there once, and that place is very nice. This Hilton Garden Inn is also very nice. But still, look, even more Mount Olympus buildings. Good grief. Here is the Tommy Bartlett Ski Show. This is a very famous Wisconsin Dells attraction. I have been to it a couple times. There's shows every day, all summer long. It's like a ski stunt show. It's pretty good. And then here on the left, oh, here's a Springs Hill Suites, and what is that, honey? A Fairfield Inn?
Inn and Suites.
Here on the left is the Tommy Bartlett Exploratory. It's kind of like a little science museum. That's a good rainy day activity. It's kitschy, but kind of fun. And the old Indian Museum is still here. That's been around a long, long time. And we're kind of coming to the end of this stretch. And somewhere along this road, we crossed from Wisconsin Dells into Lake Delton. Lake Delton is actually over here to our left, that water there. Did you get it, buddy?
Kind of.
We stayed at this motel once. That place was not nice. Oh, there's a hoo-ha. That's new. And we're going to wrap it up here as we turn on this next corner. Is going to be the Lake Delton section, and that'll be part 4. So come back, folks, for part 4 of our tour, and safe travels.